Sa video today, gagabayan namin kayo kung paano gumawa ng Shopify store in just a few minutes gamit ang Atlas AI 2.0. What's up guys? Ako si Ashley, and if you ever dreamed of mag-launch ng sarili mong online store pero na-stuck ka sa design, sa copy, or sa setup, sobrang gagaan talaga ang buhay mo dito. Atlas AI recently released its 2.0 version at ginawa to para tanggalin lahat ng heavy lifting sa pag-build ng Shopify store mo gamit lang ang ilang options. Actually, gumagawa talaga siya ng buong website mula sa product pages and descriptions to brand colors, copy, and structure all automatically. Perfect to para sa kahit sino na gusto magsimula magbenta agad nang hindi kailangan mag-aral ng code or spend weeks figuring out how Shopify works. So, let's walk through it step by step. Bago tayo mag-dive in, gusto ko lang munang i-touch kung ano ba talaga ang Atlas AI. Isa siyang AI-powered website builder na ginawa specifically para sa mga Shopify users. So instead na magmano-manong gawin ang bawat page, you basically tell Atlas AI what kind of store you want, like isang minimal skincare brand or isang trendy na activewear line, and it generates a full Shopify-ready storefront in just a few minutes. Siya na rin ang nagsusulat ng mga product descriptions mo, build your homepage, magdagdag ng branding elements, at tutulungan ka pa kahit sa basic SEO setup. You can connect it directly to Shopify and then go live mostly instantly. Isipin mo na lang siya parang isang creative assistant na pinagsasamang web design, copywriting, and store setup in just one automated process. Ngayon, why use Atlas AI for Shopify? Honestly, sobrang overwhelming talaga mag-setup ng Shopify store, lalo na kung kailangan mo mag-decide ng design, write product descriptions, at intindihin kung paano ba dapat ayusin lahat. For sales, si Atlas AI nang bahala sa mga upfront na trabaho para sa'yo. It's ideal for beginners who want to launch fast, mga busy entrepreneurs na ayaw mas kaka-design ng pages, and freelancers who build stores for clients and wanna speed up their workflow. So, instead na gumugol ka ng 10 hours kakasetup ng isang basic store, Atlas AI lets you get there in less than one. Pwede ka naman lagi bumalik later para i-tweak yung colors, yung copy, or yung layouts. Pero honestly, yung pinakamahirap na part, tapos na yun para sa'yo, which is yung initial setup. Ngayon, paano nga ba talaga buuin ng store gamit ang Atlas AI? Kung wala ka pang Atlas AI or Shopify, meron kaming link sa description below para sa'yo, so i-click mo na lang yun kung gusto mo mag-start for free. Click mo lang yung link sa baba kung gusto mo mag-start for free trial, okay? So, ang gagawin mo muna, once maklik mo yung link, papasok na tayo. Pwede kang tumingin dito ng demo store para makita mo kung gaano siya kaganda. I mean, grabe to. Sobrang ganda talaga. So, again, i-click mo lang yung install, tapos ang next na gagawin mo is mag-login sa Shopify account mo. Kung wala pa, pwede ka mag-click ng get started, which is yun yung gagawin natin. Let's go ahead and use Google. Pero, pwede kang gumamit ng kahit anong email with Shopify. Kung wala ka pa, pwede ka mag-start sa free 3-day trial, at kung gusto mo, pwede ka rin magbayad ng $1 a month for 3 months, which is 97% off, at pwede mo pang i-cancel anytime kung gusto mo. So, ilalagay mo yung credit card information mo, tapos i-click mo lang yung subscribe. After nun, magtatanong na siya ng ilang questions. Hindi pa to Atlas ha, Shopify pa lang to mismo. So, we could skip this if you wanted to, pero gusto ko lang ipakita sa yung mga questions. So, online store muna. Maybe magkakaroon din tayo ng in-person events, and definitely gagamit tayo ng social media for now. Now, existing business ba tong shop na to? Sabihin na lang natin na new. How do you plan to sell products? Bibili or gagawa kami small dropshipping products at print on demand. Pwede ka maging service provider, or pwede mo ring i-decide later. Gawa tayo ng parang fitness clothing company, so we'll do Aurora Athletics, okay? So, once na maklik mo yun at ma-enter mo yung Shopify store mo, you click install. Okay, so ngayon ang gagawin na natin is i-click yung generate store, tapos dadalhin tayo sa process. Shopify store yung gagawin natin, so kailangan muna natin magdagdag ng product para may pagbasihan siya. Okay, ngayon, bago talaga mag-generate yung store, kailangan muna nating magdagdag ng product. So mag-a-add tayo ng title, maglalagay ng description, mag-a-add ng image. Just gonna take one from Pinterest, tapos ilalagay na rin yung price. We can add inventory, maybe we have 200. Add the product weight, okay? And then, kung gusto mong magdagdag ng type, vendor, collections, etc., there's so much you can do on here. Pero sa ngayon, isi-save muna natin to. And maybe magdadagdag pa tayo ng isa, and product. Okay, ngayon gagawa ulit tayo ng isa pa. Add a description. Mag-add din tayo ng another image. Maybe gawin natin tong $48. Sa quantity, gawin natin 200. Amazing. I-save na natin yan. Cool. Ngayon, babalik na tayo sa Atlas AI Builder. Let's go ahead and buuin natin yung store natin. So, we'll do Shopify, tapos i-add natin yung product. And now, it's creating our premium store again. Ang sobrang cool sa paggamit ng Atlas AI hindi mo na kailangan magsimula from blank canvas, 'di ba? Madalas kasi yung pumipigil talaga sa mga tao na nagsisimula is yung titig mo pa lang sa blank page, 'di ba? Where do I start? Ano bang ilalagay ko sa homepage? So, this just gives you such a great starting point. Tapos from there, pwede ka na mag-edit at mag-adjust, proceed. Ngayon, pwede na natin gawin is i-customize natin konti yung store. So, pwede tayong pumili ng color presets like soft clay. Honestly, pwede na to. Mukhang pretty good naman. I think ito na rin ang pipiliin natin. Pwede ka naman pumili kung alin ang gusto mo. At pwede mo rin i-custom yung colors. Ngayon, makikita mo na agad yung preview dito. Wow! So ngayon, meron na tayong homepage. Pwede mong baguhin yung heading, yung subheading, alam mo na yon. Any notes that you wanna add, kahit anong headlines na gusto mong ilagay ulit. Marami ang nahihirapan makahanap ng activewear na pinagsasama ang comfort, tamang fit, and functionality. This seamless design delivers the support and style you need for any activity. Hindi man natin i-add yung copy na to, AI na mismo ang gumagawa ng lahat ng to. So, syempre, if something doesn't feel aligned, pwede ka talagang pumasok dito at baguhin yan. Pero ayan na, meron na agad tayong product information. Wow, this looks professional and it took 2 seconds, okay? And syempre, pwede mo ring i-edit lahat to. Kita mo, meron silang add to cart button. Nandyan na agad yung cart button, pati na yung mga most commonly asked questions like ano yung materials. So again, pwede kang pumasok dito and i-customize lahat ng to. And then once tapos ka na, i-click mo lang yung continue and good to go ka na. May konting note lang din. So, kung gusto mo pumasok at makita lahat ng stores mo, pwede kang gumawa ng bundle deals dito mismo. You can even do cart upsells and you can even do AI product photos. So, pwede kang mag-create ng AI-generated photos para sa products mo. And they have some commonly asked questions. Dito rin, hindi naman siya magiging perfect agad sa umpisa, but it's such a good starting point for you. Okay, ngayon, gusto ko lang na mag-share ng ilang bonus tips para masulit mo talaga yung Atlas AI. So if you want your AI-generated Shopify store to actually perform well after launch, mag-focus ka sa ilang small habits. First, gamitin mo yung brand voice settings ng Atlas AI. Pinapapili ka ng tool kung gusto mong magtunog friendly, professional, or luxurious. Yung best copy mo. Experiment with these tones to find the one that fits your target audience best, tapos i-apply mo yon sa buong store para consistent yung feel. Second, once na live yung store mo, revisit the analytics week after week. Atlas AI gives you recommendations inside your dashboard based sa kung paano nakikipag-interact yung user sa pages mo. For example, if people are dropping off before checkout, baka kailangan mo i-simplify yung layout mo or paikliin yung mga descriptions. Third, keep your store fresh. Ginawang sobrang dali ng Atlas AI na mag-regenerate ng mga bagong sections or banners na may updated copy and visuals whenever you launch a new product. Instead na i-redesign mo lahat from scratch, just use the AI to refresh sections. It's fast and keeps your store current. And lastly, don't forget to personalize what AI creates. Maganda na yung default text at designs, pero mas magiging authentic yung site mo kapag dinagdagan mo ng totoong story mo, brand photos, and testimonials. Nibigay ng AI yung foundation, pero yung personality mo talaga ang nagtuturn into a brand na talagang nakaka-connect. Now, let's talk about some of the pros and cons so you can decide if Atlas AI is for you. The biggest advantage of Atlas AI is speed. Pwede kang magkaroon ng isang professional and fully functioning Shopify store in less than an hour. Kumpleto na sa polished copy, modern na design, and SEO-friendly na structure. Lalo tong helpful sa mga entrepreneurs na gusto mag-focus sa product creation or marketing imbis na maubos ang oras sa web design. Ang downside lang niya is maganda na yung AI design. Gustuhin mo pa rin dumaan at i-personalize para swak sa brand voice mo. Atlas AI can fully replace your creative touch. It just gets you 90% there. Gusto ko lang ring i-touch ang iba't ibang plans and pricing options ng Atlas. Meron silang free plan kung saan pwede ka mag-generate ng store mo, pero sobrang limited niya. Pero at least may starting point ka na para makita mo kung may enjoy mo ba talaga ang paggamit ng website generation nila. Then, meron naman tayong starter plan na $39 per month at pwede kang mag-start ng 5-day free trial. After noon, $39 per month na siya. Dito may license ka na para gamitin yung Atlas theme. May access ka na sa AI Store Builder and Unlimited Stores. May kasama na rin yung AI Product Page Builder. Unlimited pages din, meron kang AI photo generator, unlimited photos, may bundler upsells and quality breaks, and you get up to 5K in added revenue per month. Then meron silang growth plan. Sa growth plan, pwede ka makasave ng 50% kung annual yung bayad mo, pero yung month-to-month na magbabayad, $99 siya after ng 5-day free trial. Sa plan na to, may license use ka ng Atlas theme, kasama yung store builder at product page builder. Kasama rin yung AI photo generator, bundler upsells at quantity breaks. Cart upsells, trials, at unlimited added revenue. So again, find what fits your needs, but you can always get started with free plan and just see if you like how it generates your store. So, para ba sa'yo ang Atlas AI? Kung matagal mo nang pinopostpone ang pag-launch ng store mo dahil pakiramdam mo sobrang complicated or too time consuming, then yes, this is one of the easiest ways to get started. Tinatanggal ng Atlas AI ang lahat ng friction that usually keeps new sellers stuck at the setup page. You can go from idea to live store in one sitting, at may oras ka pa rin magdagdag ng sarili mong creative touches. Afterward, mabilis na siya, simple lang, at talagang ginawa para sa mga totoong beginners na gusto lang magsimula magbenta and not spend weeks learning how to build a website. As a personal note, alam ko kung gaano ka-frustrating magsimula ang isang blank na website, dashboard, not knowing where to begin, at yung mga tools like Atlas AI make the process fun again. Inaayaan ka nitong buhayin yung vision mo nang hindi ka nalulunod sa lahat ng tech stuff, kahit never ka pa nakagawa ng store before. This tool gives you a real tangible result in under an hour. Kung ready ka na subukan to para sa sarili mo, siguraduhin mong gamitin yung exclusive link namin sa description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means pwede kaming kumita ng maliit na commission but no extra cost from you. So if you do choose our links, gusto namin magpasalamat agad sa'yo for supporting your channel. Malaking tulong yan para makapag-continue kami sa paggawa ng free tutorials tulad nito. Ang channel na to ay dedicated to help e-commerce founders build smarter, mas mabilis, at mas kaunting overwhelmed. Don't forget to like this video and of course subscribe to our channel. Kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe at kung may comments or questions ka, gusto naming marinig yan. Thank you so much sa panonood at kita-kits sa next video.